Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's OKX, and in this video we'll be talking more on the MetaMask, importing cPen to the MetaMask. And in my previous video we talked about how to connect our cPen contract address to the MetaMask, OKX, and the Trust wallet, and we did that successfully, and also showed a proof on receiving our tokens from the cPen network. From the cPen network team or the company or whatever you can call it. And if you're yet to receive your tokens on the Bitmart or any other exchanges, I suggest you hold on patiently. And so many people made a complaint about not able to import their cPen contract address to the MetaMask. So what we did was going to the import tokens. We went to the custom tokens and we paste the cPen contract address on the MetaMask, and we click on next. All right, and it gave us a different token symbol, which is supposed to be cPen, but instead it gave us GNO. So we're going to go to another alternative. What we're going to do is click on the settings. So what we're going to do is click on the security and privacy. I'll click on security and privacy. We're going to click on review secret recovery phase. All right, I'll click on secret phrase. It's going to tell us to review your secret recovery phase. You need to correctly answer to questions. All right, so all you're going to do is click on get started. All right, the reason why we're going to choose can't help you is because they have no authority or they have no rights to have any access to your security or help you out with your secret phrase. All right, and once you lose it, it's gone for life. So we're going to click on can't help you and rights. No one can help get your security recovery phrase back. Write it down and grave it on metal or keep it in multiple secret spots so you never lose it. If you lose it, it's gone forever. So we're going to click on continue, and if anyone, even a support agent, asks for your security recovery phrase, what are you going to do? Yeah. Okay, what I'm going to do is you are being scammed. Yeah, so I'm going to click on you are being scammed. Let's see. Yeah, correct. Sharing your secret recovery phrase is never a good idea. Anyone claiming to blah blah blah. Let's just keep continuing because I don't want to make this video very long. So what I'm going to do is going to okay, to unlock our secret phrase. All right, so we're going to click on password, and sorry, I'm going to blur this password. All right, because this is someone else's account. All right, so I'm going to click on next, so I'll be able to unlock our secret phrase. Hold to review SRP. All right, so what I did was holding it and delaying my hand and let it hold. So here's my secret phrase. I'm going to copy all this. All right, after copying down our secret phrase, we're going to click on done. All right, so if you still finding it hard to copy your secret phrase, you can take the video backward a little bit then and see how I got to get our secret phrase. So sure that your wallet address of your MetaMask is the same as the address that is being connected to your cPen network wallet. All right, so I'm going to check this check my BNB wallet address to be sure that it's the same as that in my cPen network. What I'm going to do is click on receive, and when I click on receive, I'm going to check if this is very correct. All I'm going to do is copy the address. After copying the address to be sure, we are seeing 0x563. We copied 0x and there's something 3, right? But we don't want to waste time with that. So all we're going to do is go to the we're going to go to the OKX. These are OKX wallet, and we'll go to paste import with seed phrase or the private key. We're going to import with seed phrase. Then we're going to click on the seed phrase. I'm going to click here OK, and we'll click on OK. Then we're going to write down all our the seed phrase we copied from the MetaMask. All right, after importing our seed phrase and I've written down all my seed phrase on the OKX wallet, I'm going to click on confirm. I will click on confirm. Yeah, it's loading our seed phrase, and we're going to be sure that as long as we impute the seed phrase from the MetaMask, you have nothing to worry. All right, please, if you like this video, kindly like, subscribe, comment, and if you don't understand this, watch the video again or you replay the video again. All right, guys, Now on my OKX wallet, after importing the seed phrase, here is the imported seed phrase that I imported. All right, so yeah, this is the last one, wallet F. Then I click on it. So yes, it's $0. All right, so what we're gonna do is gonna scroll down and search for the BS. We're gonna search for BS. Okay, oh sorry, that is BNB. We're gonna click on the BNB. I will click on BNB. Now we're going to look at this address. Now look at this address and bear me witness to see that it's imported correctly. Now 0x, the first one, then the last one is 560. All right, 0x, then the last one 560. Let's just go back and check. Okay, 0x7563 rather, 0x7563. Now let's go back to our MetaMask to look at it. Now are you seeing that now? 0x7563. All right, let's just confirm this to see that I'm not capping. Okay, I'm going to my MetaMask. I'll click on the BNB. All right, click on the BNB. It's loading. All right, sorry, my phone is kind of slow. Then here is it. We're going to click on the receive. All right, we're going to click on receive. Now here's it, 0x7563. We're going to go back to the OKX and see it now, 0x7563. You can see that I've imported the wallet from the MetaMask. They imported the seed phrase from the MetaMask correctly on the OKX. I'm going to go to the cPen app to copy the contact address. What I'm going to do is, we're going to click on the message, click on the cPen, then we're going to copy the contact address. We're going to copy it, and what we're going to do is go back to the OKX. All right, taking us to the OKX. All right, on the OKX, so what we're going to do is click on this three icon which you're seeing here, the way I said it in the previous video. Now we're going to click on the custom crypto. I will click on the custom crypto. We're going to, by default, is on the Bitcoin. All right, so we're going to select it, and we're going to select the BSC. All right, so this is the BSC. We're going to click on the BSC. And click on the BSC. We're going to paste the cPen contact address we copy. Now I'm going to see that and see if it show the cPen network. All right, so let's be patient. Correct. Now it has reflected the cPen network correctly. This is how to connect, how to import your MetaMask seed phrase to the OKX wallet. All you have to do is create a new add new wallet on the OKX. Then you're going to select the import seed phrase. Then you're going to import the seed phrase you copy from your MetaMask and impute it on the OKX. If you don't understand this video, kindly back forward the video or watch it from the beginning so that you will not lose track of any message I'm talking in this video. All right, so that is how what you're going to do. You're going to click on confirm. I'm going to click on confirm, then look for where the cPen. Okay, yeah, so yeah, here is it. So this is the cPen this is the cPen token that this is the cPen that we were unable to connect on the MetaMask. Now it's reflecting on the OKX wallet. So whatever you're going to receive on the MetaMask is automatically going to receive it on the cPen network. So it means if you're having a token on the MetaMask, which is, if it is 20, you're still going to have 20 on your OKX. Whatever is reflecting your MetaMask also reflects on your OKX, and that is how to connect your cPen contract address, or add the cPen, or import the cPen contract address to your MetaMask. Invariably OKX wallet. So OKX is your alternative. All right, so that's how it's done. You can also do this method on the BitGet wallet. All right, so it's still the same thing. So if you like this video, kindly like, subscribe, follow my channel. If you don't understand it, kindly comment below. I'm going to respond back to you as soon as possible. Peace out.